All right, let's get going. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to Painfully Honest Advice. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead reveal all my growth stocks that I have in my portfolios. Now, I do use M1 Finance, plus I use Robinhood as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, share with you guys all the stocks that I'm very bullish on. A lot of these stocks, I do believe, will potentially go ahead and 10x over the next 5 years. So very bullish on these growth stocks. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the blinds here, share with you guys all my growth stocks. In total, I have about 20 stocks, guys, in my growth portfolio. And I'm very bullish on every single one of these. So let's go ahead, jump into it. Now, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below, as I always have to say that just to remind everybody. And if you liked these type of videos, don't forget to smash that like button. But now I'm gonna go ahead, jump on my handy dandy laptop and share with you guys all the different stocks that I have. First, I wanna go ahead and share with you guys my M1 Finance portfolio, which currently is sitting at $51,000 in just my growth stocks. So in total, guys, I am actually down in my growth stocks overall. I've probably invested about $55,000, but because I've been dollar cost averaging, this portfolio is currently down, because if we look all time here, I'm down about $6,200. But end of the day, I see a potential to at least 10x in all of these stocks over the next 5 years. So I'm gonna keep on dollar cost averaging and investing in every single one of these stocks. Now, I'm gonna share with you guys every single stock that I have in this growth pie. The first one is gonna be Tesla. Tesla, I'm very bullish on. My current value in Tesla is $16,428. I'm down about $1,515, or about 16% in this company. This is gonna be one of the largest companies that I have in my portfolio as far as when it comes down to growth stocks. So huge believer in this company though. Overall, I see this company easily growing and 10xing from here. So I'm going to keep on focusing on just investing more and more in this company. Now, the next one is going to be Peloton. Peloton's another player that I'm a huge believer in, and the current value in Peloton, I have $4,624, or I'm down about 20%, or $682. Now, a lot of these growth stocks, I just want to tell you guys right up front, I just started investing in the last 6 months, so that's why I am going to be down on a lot of these. But again, the goal is to go ahead and grow these and hold on to these for at least the next 5 years. And with every single one of these, I just don't see how I will not be making money in these stocks. So that's going to be Peloton. Now, the next stock is going to be Airbnb. Now, Airbnb is a stock that I actually started buying into as soon as their IPO came out. Another stock I'm a huge believer in. My current value in Airbnb is $3,248. I'm up about 10%, or about $187. Now, jumping into the next one is going to be another one that I bought during the IPO, and that's going to be with Roblox. Roblox, my current value is $2,984. I'm down about 8%, or about $213. Again, very, very bullish on this company. Now, jumping into the next one, the next one's going to be Lemonade. Lemonade, I actually took a decent hit, but this is a stock that I still believe has a lot of upside potential, especially as Lemonade is looking to go ahead and get into the auto industry. They're really focused on disrupting the whole industry when it comes down to insurance. For Lemonade, my current value is sitting at $2,656, down about 45%, or about $1,200 in this company. So that does hurt a little bit, but again, long term, I'm not concerned. Now, jumping into the next one is going to be Shopify. Shopify, I believe, is another great company that has a lot of potential for growth. With Shopify, my current value is sitting at $2,499. I'm up about 5%, or about $82 in this company. Now, the next one is going to be Crowdstrike. Now, Crowdstrike, I do believe, is another great company that is just focused on cybersecurity. And with cybersecurity, this is another growth type of business and another sector that I believe is just going to keep on growing over the next 5 years. My current value in Crowdstrike is $2,414. I'm down about 17%, or about $396 in this company. The next one is going to be a fintech company, and that's going to be Square. Square is also getting into other financial products, and again, very bullish on this one. This one, I am down about 2%. My current value is sitting at $2,110, and I'm losing about $30 right now in this company. Now, jumping into the next one is going to be Zillow. Zillow, my current value is sitting at $1,962, down about 6%, and about $90. But with Zillow, they're the cream of the crop when it comes down to getting a mortgage, when it comes down to house hunting, when it comes down to just looking at potential real estate. I went to Zillow when I bought my first duplex rental property, and I keep going back to Zillow just to see if there's new properties out there. And if you're on their email and you've set up all the different filters, you'll get notified every time there's a property that goes on the market. So I like this company. My current value in Zillow is $1,962. I'm down about $90 or 6.52%. In any case, let's go ahead and jump into the next stock. The next stock is going to be Netflix. Now Netflix, I'm actually increasing my position in more and more because I do believe Netflix is going to be a better company long term to go ahead and invest in when it comes down to the streaming service. With Netflix, guys, they're the cream of the crop. They are the biggest company when it comes down to streaming, and they're doubling down on their streaming service. With Netflix, my current value is $1,937. I am basically break even or up about $11, but this is a company that I am going to keep growing my position a little bit more in as opposed to the other companies, because this is just a little bit safer of a bet, but at the same time has a huge growth potential. Now, jumping into the next one is going to be Pinterest. Pinterest is a new position that I added in my portfolio recently as well. I'm down about 4% or about $56. My current value is sitting at $1,537. Now, jumping into the next one is going to be Sea Limited. Now, Sea Limited is an international company. I really like this company because they're focused on 3 different sectors to go ahead and grow. Basically, they're focused on the gaming sector, they're focused on shopping online sector, which is competing against Amazon with Shopify, and they're focused on financial services sector as well with Sea Money, where they're basically getting into the fintech space. So huge believer in this company as well. I'm up about $13. My overall current value is $1,506 in Sea Limited. Now jumping into the next stock is gonna be with Uber. Now Uber is another company that I personally do like, and I see this company just getting more and more of the market share as it goes ahead and grows. My current value in Uber is $1,481. I'm up about 3% or about $47 in this company. Now, we got a couple more stocks here, but the next one is gonna be Teladoc. With Teladoc Health, they are changing the whole medical space. With Teladoc, my current value is sitting at $1,438. I'm down about 38% in this company. I actually started buying into this company recently, and since then it has gone down, but I do believe this company has a great future growth potential. But I'm down currently $738 in this company. And now jumping into the next one is gonna be Spotify. With Spotify, I am currently down about $200, but with streaming and with Spotify expanding into other markets, I see a growth potential in this company as well. My current value in Spotify is $1,431, and I am gonna keep on growing my position in Spotify as well. Now, the next two and the final two here in the M1 Finance account is gonna be Etsy. Etsy, I have a current value of $1,430, down about 7% or about $82. And then the final one, guys, is gonna be Twitter. I believe in Jack Dorsey. I love both of his companies with Square and Twitter. My current value in Twitter is $1,387. I'm down about 13% or about $180. So these are basically going to be all the different stocks that I have in my growth pie with M1 Finance. I just started investing in a lot of these growth stocks recently, but the plan is to go ahead and keep dollar cost averaging into these. And at the end of the day, guys, I do believe in every single one of these companies, and I see at least a 5x potential over the next 5 years, if not a 10x potential in a lot of these companies. Now, as far as just my Robinhood account, as far as in Robinhood, I only have a couple different stocks that I have 100 shares of each in. I have NNDM, which is Nano Dimensions, and basically this is a 3D printing company. I do believe this company has a bit more risk, and basically with my Robinhood account, all 4 of these companies that I invest in are a little bit riskier, and that's why I've kept them in Robinhood and have not transferred them over to M1 Finance. But I do like Robinhood overall, and I like investing in these companies that I can take a little bit more risk with. So Nano Dimensions, I have 100 shares in. My total market value is sitting at $840. Now the other one is going to be GHVI, and this is basically a holding that I recently started investing in because I do believe that this company has a great growth potential as well. Now with Gore's holding, my current value is sitting at $1,410, and I do have 100 shares in this company. Now the next one is going to be TTCF. which is Tattooed Chef, and I love the meals from Tattooed Chef. I do believe that this company has potential to grow, but this is, again, a bit riskier of a company. So my current value in Tattooed Chef is $1,965, and I do have 100 shares in Tattooed Chef. And the last one is gonna be Palantir. Palantir is actually a new position that I started recently as well. I have 100 shares in this, and my current market value is sitting at $2,295. But guys, these are gonna be basically all the different growth stocks that I currently have. I believe there's right around 20. I didn't actually count all of them, but it's right around that 20 mark. I like to go ahead and focus on the companies that I truly believe have a potential to grow, that are disrupting companies, or that are companies that have a potential at least 5x from here over the next 5 years. Now, I like to go ahead and focus on dividend-based stocks as well. So the other half of my portfolio is focused on dividend stocks. So if you do want to go ahead and see dividend stocks in an upcoming video, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to share that with you guys as well. But hopefully there was some value in this video. I like to be fully transparent, share with you guys all the different stocks that I currently invest in, and these are going to be all the growth ones. But thanks again, guys, for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you like more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. Now, if you are interested in investing, I will leave a link for a limited time offer where you do get $30 when you go ahead and sign up with M1 Finance. It is a limited time offer that they're offering for the rest of this month. And if you're interested in getting some free stocks, I'll leave a link down for Robinhood as well. But I'm going to leave it at that for this video. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys at the next one.